Ever wondered how real estate agents get paid for showing those gorgeous Redfin homes? Today, we're cracking open the world of Redfin showings and uncovering how agents earn their keep. Let's dive into the compensation structure for showing Redfin properties. First, you need to be a Redfin partner agent or a Redfin employee agent. This requires meeting specific qualifications and being approved by Redfin. The process typically starts when a potential buyer finds a property they're interested in on Redfin and requests a showing as a qualified agent. You can pick up these showing requests via the Redfin Agent app. Your main task is to facilitate the property viewing, answer questions, and provide information about the home to the potential buyer. Redfin tracks showings through their system, ensuring proper record keeping for payment. Here's where it gets interesting. Redfin typically offers a co-op commission to the buyer's agent, which is a percentage of the total sale price. This commission is predetermined and clearly stated on the Redfin listing. It is usually lower than traditional brokerage commission splits. After a successful closing, the commission is paid out through escrow, with Redfin distributing the agreed-upon co-op commission to the buyer's agent. Understanding the Redfin compensation structure can help you determine if it's the right fit for your real estate business. Be sure to research and contact Redfin directly for the most up-to-date and accurate information.